Hey guys, this is a video of me unboxing a IAG stage 2.5 closed deck block for the EJ257 Subaru STI motor. Alright, so first look. This is from Toge Tuning. Looks alright. Looks like it has been opened here, so I'm assuming hopefully it was them inspecting it. Let's get to opening this thing. Okay, so open it up. Weighs about 45 kilograms, which says it's about 100 pounds. Okay, packaging looks okay, pretty solid, so looked pretty durable. The box didn't have any creases, so it didn't look like it was dropped, any major drops. So that's good. I got the wrist pin cover seal kit with it as well. So that's that. So they might have opened it just to put this in there. That's the IAG number, wrist pin cover seal kit. It's a brand new OEM from Subaru. Packaging is very nice, packaged very solidly. Alrighty, there we go. Okay. Now, how am I going to get this thing out of here? That's the next question. Alright, be right back. I'm going to try to figure out how to get this thing out of the box. Okay, with a little finesse, I got that thing out of there. This is it right here. There's my IAG. IAG pin number, serial number right there. That's good. Tied up. Looks good here. Looks all there. Hard to focus. There's all the information in here. Zip tied again. Okay, let's open this thing up. Okay, got her open. This is a 2.5 closed deck. This is what over $6,000 Canadian gets you. Over 6,000, like I said. Casting looks good. There's no cracks or anything in the casting, which looks good. Rear main seal's not in, which is fine. It's actually included in the kit. But it hasn't been installed, we gotta install that ourselves. Everything looks good. Alright, time to flip this thing over and see what else is on the other side. Alright, okay, looking at the other side, looks good. So these come with IAG JE pistons, forged pistons, H-beam rods, king bearings, let's see if we can get a close up. There's some, there's IAG stamping. Hard to pick that up. Let's see if we go over here. There we go. You can kind of see it right there. That's IAG stamping on the piston. Casting looks good. Alright, time to put this all together. Let me know if you guys think I should paint the block or not.